In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and deploy your first AI app with Lovable.Dev, all without writing a single line of code. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about creating your own apps, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, getting you from idea to execution in just a few simple minutes. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Lovable.Dev and sign up for an account. The process is pretty straightforward, and they'll guide you through it with prompts to set up everything you need. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which is your gateway to creating your AI app. Next, look out for the Create New Project button. Once you click on this, you'll be asked to describe your AI app idea. This is the time to let your creativity shine. Briefly outline what you envision for your app. Maybe you're thinking about a virtual assistant, a customer service tool, or something entirely different. Whatever it is, jot down your concept and Lovable will start working its magic. Here's where the platform really showcases its power. After you've described your idea, Lovable.Dev will automatically generate both the user interface and the backend code of your app. It might sound complicated, but you don't have to worry about getting into the nitty-gritty details. The system is designed to handle all of that for you, creating a seamless experience that's both quick and efficient. Once Lovable has generated the basic framework of your app, you'll want to customize it to fit your vision more closely. This customization process is entirely visual, allowing you to edit text, buttons, and even the AI's responses without any coding required. Play around with the design elements, tweak the appearance and functionality until it feels just right. This is your chance to infuse your personality and brand into the app. Don't forget to preview and test your AI app live within the Lovable interface. This testing phase allows you to experience your app from a user's perspective, making sure everything runs smoothly and aligns with your expectations. Feel free to make any necessary adjustments during this stage to ensure your app is polished and ready for the world. Once you're satisfied with how your app looks and performs, it's time to launch it. Click the Publish button to host your app on Lovable's platform, or choose to export the code if you prefer to host it elsewhere. This flexibility means you can manage your app in a way that best suits your needs and preferences. As a final step, you have the option to link a custom domain to your app. This can give it a more professional appearance and make it easier for your users to find. And just like that, you've created your very first AI app with Lovable.Dev ready to share with the world. Happy building!